Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So at the first you have to click and hold your home screen just like that and go for the widgets right here. So as you can see here we got a couple of the widgets. For example, I'm going to use here maybe the digital wellbeing. So tap on it once. Here we can choose the theme of this digital wellbeing. I'm going for this one. Click to add. And as you can see, it's added to the home screen. And if you want to refresh and if you want to enter here, just simply tap for more information, just like that. Now let's add another widget. For example, we can add here maybe we can go for the weather. Yeah. So there we got a couple of the themes. I hit with this one, so click OK. Oh, wait a minute, what it is? Probably we have to download some application. No, it's fine. We can resize, of course, this widget. Let's change position of this one. If you want to move your widget, you have to click hold. I have problem with my touch interaction on the smartphone. So as you can see, you have to click, hold, select, and then you can move it just like that. So for example, put it here, and to get it better, I will change the wallpaper of my home screen. So I'll go for my wallpapers and I'm going to apply maybe this one. Let's set it on the home screen. Click to set and take a look. Right now it looks like that. So basically that's how you can add widgets to your home screen. And if you want to remove one of them, for example this one, you have to select and then click to remove. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.